This is Kenya.
And I'm getting my degree all over the world.
21-year-old Kenya originally comes from the northern part of Spain, and she's been a traveler all her life.
I started traveling when I was really young with my parents, and then when I was 7, my dad passed away. And so my mom and I, we kept traveling quite a bit. We went to Paris, the States. It did help us get over some stuff. For my first communion, instead of asking for a phone, I asked for money so I could travel to Egypt where I wanted to go.
And her travel bug led her to the idea of studying abroad for high school.
When I was 16, I got this scholarship to go study in Canada for a year. Fully funded, and they even gave me money to spend there.
At this point, she was used to studying in other countries, and so for college, she applied to this brand new schooling concept called Minerva, which had a 1.9% admission rate. She got in.
So the first year, we stayed in San Francisco for the whole year, and we all learned the same things. So instead of just teaching you theory, they teach us how to think. And then after the second year, you start choosing your majors, and I'm majoring in history and molecular biology.
The entire school calendar is based on spending 4 months in 6 countries as a group: South Korea, India, Germany, Argentina, UK, and Taiwan. I went to the University of Wisconsin-Madison. I studied there for 4 years. I did do 1 semester abroad, but almost everything was in a classroom with like 500 people, and that's the traditional way of learning. What are the benefits of learning in Minerva?
We don't have exams. We'll take debate-style classes and then do a lot of assignments, which basically forces you to think for yourself.
The schooling system is done entirely on their own online platform.
Think of Skype on asteroids. So we have a lot of features and a lot of things you can do, so you can actually interact with your peers and your teachers more than you would in a normal classroom. And the teacher's not allowed to talk for more than 4 minutes. So you have to debate, and they will call on you, and you have to demonstrate that you understand the material.
I just want to say, so she's really confident when she talks. I've rarely met a 21-year-old that's this mature, that's this confident. You can see it's already paying off the school that she's getting. What Kenya is telling me is revolutionary, and I've seen our society slowly evolve this way ever since I studied abroad in Prague 7 years ago. Not only are colleges offering more study abroad programs like Semester at Sea, but there are other options like remote year and global degree, which escape the traditional classroom and teach you life skills in the real world.
So the thing about Minerva is it doesn't only teach you to perform a job, it actually teaches you how to be a global citizen, to be able to live anywhere and face any challenge anywhere.
The future is bright for education, and it's also bright for this young girl who is a pioneer of getting her degree around the world.
I'm already getting itchy to start traveling again, and I can't wait to finish my studies in London and Taipei. For my first communion, instead of asking for a phone, I actually asked for money, so I wanted to... Oh my God!
I'm Drew Binsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.